Hello guys, I'm John Lloyd Molina from ICT12B and I'm here to show you a video presentation how to install client operating system Windows 7 using bootable flash drive. You have plenty of choices to make when installing a new version of Windows on your device. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. If your computer doesn't have a CD or DVD drive, you may want to learn how to run the installation from a bootable USB to quickly set up your operating system. With CD and DVD discs becoming obsolete, many modern computers and laptops no longer come with a drive to read and write physical discs. This makes it impossible for you to create an installation media unless you use a USB drive. Procedures on how to install client operating system Windows 7 using bootable flash drive. 1. Plug your USB device into your computer's USB port and start up the computer. You may be asked to press a key to boot from the USB. 2. Choose your preferred language, time zone, currency, and the keyboard setting. Once you're happy with customizing these settings, click Next. Don't you worry, if you've made a mistake, you can change any of these in the future. 3. Click Install now to start the installation process. 4. Accept the license terms and then click Next. Step 5. Choose your preferred installation type. You can either choose Upgrade, which will allow keeping your current files, settings, and apps, or choose Custom to do a refresh clean installation of Windows 7. In this example, we'll be choosing Custom to do a fresh Windows installation. 6. To do a completely fresh installation with new partitions, you have to delete all the existing partitions first. Select each partition one by one and click delete, then OK. Note, if you haven't yet backed up your hard drive, you may want to stop, back everything up and start again. Once you delete the partition, you won't be able to recover the data stored on these drives. 7. Your computer hard drive's space will now be unallocated. Following this, you need to create some new partition. Select Drive option, click New and choose the size for new partition, then click Next. 8. Windows will now create a new partition for storing system files. Click OK to accept. Repeat this step if you wish to create additional partitions. 9. Select one of the new partition and click Format. This will allow to format your new partition. Press OK when prompted and repeat the process for any other partition except the one for storing system files. 10. Select the partition where you want to install Windows and click Next. 11. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a prompt to set the user and computer names. 12. Enter your username. The computer's default name will be username PC, where username is the username you've entered, but you can also change this. Once you're done, click Next. Finally, enter the new user password or just leave it blank and then click Next. That's it. You've now installed a fresh copy of Windows from a bootable USB on your computer. How to install client operating system Windows 7 using bootable flash drive.